Okay, at what distance from the center of the moon is the gravitational potential negative 1 million joules per kilogram? The mass is 7.35 times 10 to the 22nd kilograms. So, so here we are, right, and there's going to be some distance from that center, right? And then, you know, of course, what's tricky is how far above the surface of the moon is that. I'm not going to trouble myself with that right now. But okay, so V. All right, so negative 1.00 times 10 to the 6th. It's a 6. I always have a hard time with that 6 for some reason. Like, okay, let's see, 7.35, 22 over, oh, I guess we're solving for R. I was like, what the heck is R? Okay, so I'm going to do this times this, divide by this, I'll get R. The minus signs will go away. Okay, so 6.67. R is equal to 4902450. I really wish TI calculators would help you with scientific notation. But they don't. Okay, so 4.90 times 10 to the 6th meters. Yarbly. All right. Yeah, all right. Be careful of the minus signs. On ones that have charges and stuff, you got to put the charge sign in there.